I'm Jeff Schwartz of Schwartz Performance. I can't believe another month has gone by. Here it is, our February 2018 update. If you missed last month, you can check it out here. Let's see what we got going on this month. We've got the chassis all powder coated for this 59 Chevy. We just got to put these big fat meats on here and get it back up in the car. We've got some really cool Recaro seats coming for this CUDA project, and we also got some awesome forged line wheels. You'll get to see them next month. This is the chassis for that 70 Chevelle Convertible we've been working on. This one has a 598 big block, 900 horsepower on pump gas. We've got all kinds of carbon bits on this thing, including valve covers, drive shaft, even went so far as to put lightweight titanium fasteners on all the chassis bolts. Even the forged line wheels have titanium fasteners. These have center locking wheels, really cool for quick pit stop changes, and it's yellow with raw carbon fiber stripes on the carbon hood and carbon deck lid. We've even inlaid carbon fiber into the deck lid area just ahead of the deck lid so that we have the carbon stripe the entire length of the factory stripe. So pretty cool stuff. Can't wait for you to see that one. This is the 70 Buick Skylark we've been working on. As you can see, we put these Kindig design flush mount door handles in here. Incidentally, these door handles were kind of pioneered by Jaguar a number of years ago, probably in the early 70s, late 60s maybe. And you can't find them in junkyards anymore, so it's really great that Kindig is making these now. When we put these in here, we had to grind down to the metal to weld them in, and I see a fair amount of Bondo and filler here. Incidentally, this car came into us quote unquote ready for paint. So we're gonna have to do a little further investigating here. This is that 69 Super B. We've got our SRT8 engine in there now, and we're just waiting for the trans to arrive, which should be here in the next few days. This is gonna be a fun one. Okay. This chassis has got a lot of colors going on. This is for an 84 Monte Carlo, and we've got bright metallic orange powder coating on the chassis, and then we've got a metallic purple on the control arms. We've got the bright yellow Bear Schwartz 14-inch calipers, and then we've got the RideTech triples. All top of the line stuff going under this Monte Carlo. We've done a lot of fabrication work on this 67 Mustang Eleanor. We've got the cowl vent filled in there. We've made new ground effects for the fenders in metal to match the original ground effects that were on this car when it came in. We've extended our metal hood to match the line of that fiberglass nose. And right now we're figuring out how to get the exhaust system out the side exit there. So we got to do a little trimming and fab work in the floor area to get the exhaust router out there. We got mufflers coming and should be rolling along on the exhaust system pretty quick. 72 AMX. Little known fact, American Motors won the Trans Am Championship in road racing in 1971 with a body style just like this. And back then the cars were fairly stock. We had some rust issues here in the quarter, and we put a patch panel in there, and we've got one little kink in the other rocker we've got to replace, and then it'll go off for media blasting and painting. This one's getting a 401. The Raybestos 53 truck. We've been working on this baby for over a year. We're planning on unveiling it the 23rd and 24th of February at the Gaylord Convention Center near Dallas. The Keystone Big Show. If you're down there, come check it out. We've got our stereo system mounted in here from Hyphonics. We've got our TMI door panels on here, and it's looking pretty good. We just got to do a little detail work, and it's going in the trailer. Incidentally, this made 425 horsepower. That's pretty good out of 5.3. This is the LT series engine, closely related to the LT1 in the current Corvette. A lightweight truck like this with the G-Machine chassis, this thing should be really awesome around the autocross course. I can't wait to try this thing out. We've had a chance to work on our C10 this month. We've extended the fenders down here like the rendering, and then we've mocked up a valance here. We're still experimenting with the final shape of that. We've also put flush mounted door handles. We still have to finalize steering column position, and then we can fabricate headers. If you want to check out other videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel or check us out on the web. That's all we have for this month. See you later.